Alright, so I found a color code that kinda looks like a lava monkey. So today we're going in public lobbies and we're gonna try and make people think we're actual lava monkeys. So I just hope people think we're actual lava monkeys now. Because I know it doesn't look like it that much, but from the leaderboard it's nearly identical. So I just hope people look at it and think we're tagged, you know.
Oh my god.
What? Alright. Hola, ¿cómo está la biblioteca?
Mira, mamabicho.
Why? Ah, GG's, you monkey. But hey, do you think I looked like a lava monkey when I wasn't tagged? Alright, let's hope it works now. See, it kinda looks like a lava monkey. Oh crap.